CTADigital's universal VESA articulating wall mount for TVs and monitors is an ideal solution for conference rooms, hospitality lobbies, restaurants, gyms, classrooms, and more. This flexible mount with folding arm can be hung virtually anywhere, on studs and framing, or drywall and solid walls. View screens from virtually any angle. Each of the 3 points of articulation swivels 180 degrees, but that's not all. The head tilts 15 degrees up and down and rotates for use in either portrait or landscape mode. The mount is compatible with standard VESA TVs and monitors. The sliding plate makes it simple to remove and rehang monitors. You'll find plenty of room to route and clip cables neatly on the mount's arms. This unit is compatible with screens up to 42 inches and 44 pounds.